Foods good for teeth. Foods play to circular role in maintaining oral health. Eating a well-balanced, healthy and nutrition diet is vital for good dental health both in children and adults. Protein and tooth damage. Proteins vital for the formation and maintenance for the tooth stays. They also protect the mucous and connectivity tissue lines of oral cavity and contribute toward a healthy immunity system. Food-rich protein include soya, egg, beans, seafood, and dairy foods. Calcium and phosphorus. Calcium and phosphorus compress the structure of teeth. The help prevent against bleeding. Calcium promotes a process knowledge which reverse the tooth damage. Zinc prevents the formation the mucous layer and connectivity tissue the oral cavity. Milk and dairy are rich the calcium and phosphorus. Other foods which are great source of calcium include seafood, tofu, almond, green leaf vegetable, and liquors. Cheese is a rich source of calcium. Its protein teeth dew is adaptive nutrition. Once it sticks to tooth surface, it releases the calcium which the immediately which plant surface. Calcium helps repairing damaged tooth structure by professional human. Vitamin D. Vitamin D saturation growth, proper function of mucus and connectivity tissue. It promotes the remineralization process for helping calcium absorb and the body. Sunlight, the richest source of the vitamin D, are sources in the vitamin are milk, fish, egg, and cod liver oil. Vitamin A. Vitamin essential in maintenance the mucous line for the connectivity tissue, supporting the teeth. Carrots are good source vitamin A, as orange fruits, sweets, potato, drugs layer green vegetable like a Spanish cala, egg, yogurt, and fish also connected with vitamin A proportion. Vitamin C. Vitamin C promotes the integration and remodulation of the collagen. The structure of protein is responsible for maintenance the structure of the pulmonary element. Foods such as lemon, orange, sweet potato, pepperoni, etc. Vitamin D helps in growth development for the ethical cells line the oral cavity. Vitamin D is found in high amount in fish, red meat, milk, almond, green leaf vegetable. Vitamin E. Vitamin E acts great antioxidant. Food rich in vitamin E included nut, almond, green leaf, vegetable, and avocado. Fish is also good source of vitamin E. Green tea is potent the rich in the antioxidant. Foods rich in iron, potassium, phosphorus, and iodine. Potassium is essential tooth maintenance, which are both important, especially when the gum bleeding and injury. Fluoride prevents the tooth declare the process the remainder, and iodine also promoting the absorption of calcium in the body. Egg, seafood, red meat, carrot, green leaf vegetable contain foods which are high water content. Cream fruits include the vegetable have a high water content. Eating fruit and vegetable result a formation of the high amount of cells which are maintenance pH balance of oral cavity. They are protected teeth cavity. Those food also good. Removing the plus further tooth layer. Probiotics as yogurt, curd, foods good for teeth. Foods play to circular role in maintaining oral health. eating a well-balanced, healthy and nutrition diet is vital for good dental health both in children and adults. Protein and tooth damage. Proteins are vital for the formation and maintenance for the tooth stains. They also protect the mucous and connectivity tissue lines of oral cavity and contribute toward a healthy immunity system. Food-rich protein include soya, egg, beans, seafood, and dairy foods. Calcium and phosphorus. Calcium and phosphorus compress the structure of teeth that help prevent against debridement. Calcium promotes a process known as which reverse the tooth damage. Zinc prevents the formation the mucous layer and connectivity tissue soil the oral cavity. Milk and dairy are rich the calcium and phosphorus. Other foods which are great source of calcium include seafood, tofu, almond, green leaf vegetable, and pickles. Cheese is a rich source of calcium with protein. Dew is adaptive nutrition. Once it sticks to tooth surface, it releases the calcium immediately which plant surface. Calcium helps repairing damaged tooth structure by professional emulsion. Vitamin D. Vitamin D saturation growth, proper function of mucus and connectivity tissue. It promotes the remineralization process for helping